entertainment?
Whooping cough. It's on the rise at one Pittsburgh high school. A growing number of students at Allderdice diagnosed with pertussis or whooping cough. It's a highly contagious bacterial infection that comes with a nasty cough.
No, we're talking high schoolers here at Allderdice. Here's Pittsburgh's Action News 4 reporter Matt Belanger with what you can do to stop the spread.
Right now, there are 11 confirmed cases of whooping cough here at Allderdice High School, and school officials are asking for parents' help to keep the illness from spreading.
Our first case came in that week. Student was, diagnosed with whooping cough.
Principal Melissa Fries says it was as students at Taylor Allderdice High School returned from spring break last month when an 11th grader was first diagnosed with the highly contagious illness. Soon, more cases surfaced.
At that point, we notified the whole school because we wanted to make sure that no matter what, people were aware of this.
Pertussis actually starts more as a cold with, mild fever, and then you begin to get the cough.
County health officials say whooping cough, or pertussis, is known for the unique-sounding cough it causes. Whooping cough spreads easily through the air when someone coughs.
What you want to do is cover your mouth like this, okay? And wash your hands, obviously.
One student was also sent home today as a precaution and will be tested. Principal Fries says teachers and staff at Allderdice are on the lookout for students who might have the illness, and parents should do the same at home.
If you have a sense that there's something not right, to give us a call at the school or to call your pediatrician just to make sure that you're getting it at its early stages.
Affected students are being given antibiotics, and they're being asked to work on schoolwork at home for 5 days as a precaution. In Squirrel Hill, I'm Matt Belanger, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.